Another banger episode, ladies and gentlemen. It is your absolute fav, Mr. Juice SA, and of course you are watching your favorite show, Angisakufuni, right here on CMTV Lalela. If you are a returning subscriber, management, I salute you. Thank you so much for coming back. Do the most as always, engage with us and let us know what kind of stuff you want to see, you know, and also engage with us on this episode that we keep giving you guys, we keep bringing for you. Engage with us on our on the comment section right there. And if you are a first time viewer, well, my friend, do not be stubborn. Habibi, Mr. Juice SA is calling you to come through and join the channel. Subscribe right here. And of course, keep the bell on so that you get a notification every time we're serving you everything juicy. It is your favorite show, Angisakufuni. And ladies and gentlemen, Angisakufuni is a show where we bring you couples that want to leave the relationship because there's discomfort. We are born a good relationship and then now you are not happy, man. You are not happy with everything. It's either you are not being spoiled, you are not happy, you are not given time, there's no attention, there's no spoils. Well, you write to us. I'm going to take a short break and Masbuya Lerato is going to join us. She works on retail. A young, beautiful lady. She wrote us an email with Lalelani, gidata inkinga ya DJ. I'm dating a DJ. Mr. DJ is never home ngama weekends. And mina, I work Monday to Friday. Weekends, I'm home. And DJ agekho ngaleso skhathi. So it has become an issue, a huge issue. She wants to leave, and she's gonna leave because she's gonna be joining me on the grey couch. And once you sit on this couch, Yom Jolo is over. We're coming back with Lerato. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. You are still watching Angisakufuni right here on CMTV. It is your absolute fav, Mr. Juice SA Lalelan. Before that break, I did brief you guys a little bit of history. A lady by the name of Lerato wrote us an email. With Lalelan, guys. I'm in a beautiful relationship, but we're having challenges, and these challenges, they are very toxic. I am not happy with them, and I'm tired of addressing the same issue. I am dating a DJ, and the lot DJing him data now it starts to feel like akasiyo wami phela wethu sonke. I'm sharing him. He's never available for me. She works Monday to Friday, a very straightforward shift. She works Monday to Friday, and we all know from Thursday or Wednesdays, that's when the DJs starts to push till Monday. So niyabona ukuthi ke Mr. DJ is never home. You know what? I don't want to waste your precious time. Ladies and gentlemen and the producers, can I have Lerato joining me? Ha! That was a DJ. Lerato, right? Sharp. Man. Thank you so much for usibhalela email and usitshela ukuthi ufuna ukuzosijoyina like haya ku CMTV Angisakufuni. Welcome.
Welcome. Thank you.
For people that are watching at home, just tell us a little bit about yourself. Ubani Lerato waziwa njengelady elinjani nje kasilakho or emsebenzini la usebenza khona usebenza waziwa njengomuntu onjani?
Okay, ngina Lerato, ngihlala Johannesburg.
Yeah.
La ngisebenza khona ngisebenza at the retail store. I work from Mondays until Friday.
Straight shift.
Yes, and I'm a very indoor kind of a person.
Yeah.
Hardly goes out, forever at home. Yes.
So you're that person, very smooth, mild and stuff.
Yes.
So email yakho iyachaza lapha ukuthi you are seeing someone who is a public figure, Mr.
Yes.
DJ. Nihlangane kanjani no DJ? Since you are an introvert, I'm quite triggered by this. Yes. I'm very like interested. I just want to know nihlangane kanjani no DJ?
Okay, mina no DJ, I was on my matric dance, and then saya for the after party. And then we went to this other club, at Johannesburg,
Yeah.
And then for that night, he was the DJ. Yo, I'm single. So
that day, so And so I just like the fact that you were very impressed with his sets. You just like the vibe, the whole vibe, and you're like, no, I can actually try this guy out. You didn't have, you didn't think, how would it work? I'm an introvert, he's a DJ. You didn't think about that time.
And hapo school I wanna ule nice.
Yeah.
DJ bona shapa dipina left right and center. Tse dingwe tse se ke tla di bona after. And ka mo wa utlwa ke nwele biri e re bona.
And the feeling you felt good about it.
Exactly.
So now naikala ke relationship benjani relationship yakho, because I'm sure you didn't just have these challenges like from the word go. Won't I describe utsini relationship yakho maikala nje umuntu methi Lerato wena liwena litije yawo man awuri phahla ungayichaza uthini?
Nako re thoma go utlwana ene le motho neng gore wang accommodate.
Yeah.
Na ntlhaloganya gore okay motho ka ke motho o so na zama gore okay by all means lale o na le digigi somewhere and he's always busy mara a khona go ketsetsa nako. Because relationship in a sense ele fresh.
Yeah. Honeymoon vibes.
Exactly. I'm spoiler ang rekala dilo adula ang WhatsApp re bua re founelana bon. So I felt okay, I'm loved and at least I'm needed.
Then now the storm hits. Uqale kanjani ukufila ukuthi yazi manje le relationship it's losing the touch? Kwenzakaleni? What happened for you to see ukuthi yazi manje le relationship ayiseyona?
Okay, what happened is ke thoma ho bona no hore hasa a re thome ka phone hasa phone like he used to before, hasang SMS, hasang WhatsApp. And then every time when I knock off, got Fridays, whenever I try to get hold of him, he's always busy. And I go to gigging the whole night, Thursday until Mondays. And then I invite like, me babes, come over, let's go together. Like
before you used to be invited sometimes and be the one who's saying,
exactly.
Hey baby, I wanna rest this Saturday.
Yes. So now he's always quiet. He always texts me or calls me when he has time, like he doesn't make time for me anymore like before.
So now, I can tell you do appreciate the communication. Have you tried to address these issues before you reach this part where you like let me just email CMTV and the crew so that I can just leave this guy because it's not giving, it's not working. Did you try to at least address the issues and see if the person is willing to change and work on those mistakes, or went hard?
Yes, I did. I tried to sit down with him a lot of times and try and find a way on how to handle our relationship. But then he seems like he'll say one thing now, okay babes, I'll try. But then come Thursday, Friday, it's a different story. So good one every time, but then no changes. So rather get this thing, maybe okay, hi Shem, yeah, I've had enough. Like honestly, I've tried my best.
On the email you did kind of hint us, there is a line where you hinted you would say, it looked like you are sharing him. Well, what made you say that? What made you say that? Do you think we actually say that, or you just think because he's exposed to a lot of girls, he might be cheating?
I think he is cheating because the time that he gives me when he comes over to my place, then us as girls, you always sneak for the phone during the night when he's sleeping, and then I'll get these whole kinds of chats.
Yeah, so let's take it there. Yeah.
And then I can go for the photo, the chat, the photo, banyana, social media. But and I won't really commenting. He's always entertaining these people, but then he doesn't entertain me. So I've seen okay. So which means we totally entertainment somewhere else, and then all of it can.
So rather you excuse yourself.
Exactly. And give him the space that he needs.
But you know what I like about you? The fact that you're saying you have addressed the issue several times.
Yes.
And meaning you gave him a long rope.
Yes.
And you expected change and nothing, and then you still tried until this point, till this time.
Yes.
Well, we're gonna take a short break, and Masbuya, he's gonna join us. So I want you to share exactly your story. I'm gonna give you a platform, then you have a chat with him, exactly the way you just told me.
Okay.
So I don't want you to hold back. If you have other things that you happen not to touch bases on with me, also lash out. Just tell him everything. I'm a flop how in Zealand, so that you can understand what you didn't just wake up today and say, "Oh, some food." You understand? Yes. So ibamba lapho. Well, ladies and gentlemen, Saplomena Lerato, intom got DJ. So she just told me her side of the story, was why she wanna leave the relationship, which is quite understandable from the way I'm viewing the situation, you know. So I wonder also tin lapho ekhaya or ukuthi ufila kanjani ngesituation yaka Lerato. Well, we're going to take a short break while you are engaging with us on the comment section below. Please grab something to drink. Masbuya, Mr. DJ is going to be joining us, but because this is not a fun show, we don't have a desk where he can give us a bit of tiki. We just want to get into this Angisakufuni situation. Siyabuya. Still at it, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. It is still your favorite show, Angisakufuni Konalago CMTV. It's your fav, Mr. Juices, and then Saplomena Lerato, who is actually here to dump a DJ. If we have ladies in the house and you like DJs, yeah, this is an opportunity for you. Bam last on I'm Tata, yeah. Heart attack, but I just don't want you to be sad, man. Like, I don't want you to be sad. Yes, I can tell you are an introvert, very calm person, but negative energy, it shouldn't be a thing. So brother just join. I'm a producer, as little brother just join. So I want you to, like we spoke, exactly the way you feel in situation. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna ask my producers and Mr. Lee to actually bring us Mr. DJ on the grey couch so that he can join us right here. Mfezu Azwagal.
Hola.
How's it, brother? Sure.
Hello.
Hey, uyabona ama DJs namanye ama artists. Uvele ubone ngeswag ukuthi yeah DJ. Brother man, thank you so much for showing up. And ngiyabona ukuthi kuhle man. Kuhle. Umazi kanjani usister lo Lerato?
Yabo sihlangane eklabhini yabo. Ngamhlanga approach because yabo she was appealing, you know, to my eyes.
I'm mistress buenza shayile mani tsalesa kaqeda limit tricky.
Benga yabo.
Yeah.
By surprise, yeah.
If umuntu ethi nje oh hey man awusitshele kahle i-relationship yakho noLerato injani mayichaza kanjani?
Yabo imnandi from my perspective yabo.
Yeah.
Ngiyangithanda yabo. Sinikana leyo love chemistry yabo. Yeah, says
it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Lerato, I don't want to take your shine. I don't want to steal your shine or the moment. I just want you to jump straight into it. Lerato uspalelile CMTV on this show uspalelile. Lerato, I want you to just take this moment and speak to your person and let him know the reason why he's here.
Okay, yeah, but ke go bitse mo gore ke tlo bolela gore relationship e ya gona e ke bona gore once e fell
wrong
because I've tried to speak to you so many times about something on it, how some wedding no wedding at a thing, how some panaka, how some get a little no talon get on. And then every time when I talk to you, come Thursday or Friday, it's a different story.
Marky Pismos.
No, obese, but you must
Yeah, Marky, it's a Nakomos.
How about Dilawena? How about Dilawena? How about get a Nako?
No, it's in our clean. It's actually peace, keep peace.
But no, this is a relationship with two people. I compromise, you also have to compromise. It has to come from both sides, not from like one. And then Monday to Friday. And then you have to make time for me within those, at least the Friday, Saturday, Sunday. But you don't. Oh, Hana, but what's fun? I no. So what's yours is mine. My hike on social medias, what I had the video, the photo, you're having so much fun without me.
Yeah, because
then why don't you come look at me? No, I get on board, but that's the thing you never ask. Turn to on board and then like it you can't just assume I'm tired.
Has it always been like that? Sorry to cut you, but has it always been like that with our inviter or before we invite her?
Before we got inviter, we'd always go together. But then as time went, but then at some point.
No, I can't go and do something. Hey, kai. How my lord? Ah, no, so American, but we kusanyan.
Sheba, what about DJ from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, bro? Yes, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, why can't you just say, babes, let's go out together? You don't even like. I took from where no me talk a share but find that at least one in this so-called relationship. So like se ke bona one to share ba re ke o tlogela o le batho ba batla mo ba le bone go fe nako e le bone once now let me step back because honestly I'm done. It's just too much for me. I'm done. Now but I'm done. I can't honestly.
No.
I'm done.
I've
tried. No.
So it's more showing you or
yes. I don't post it on social media. Aba bone batho ba social media go bona le nako ya bone nna ya ka ha ona yo o tla thola motho social media ni o tlo amkhela le o leng ka teng motho kae o le mo not for me. No, I thought relationship yeah it tsamaya tla khona go ratana re be one thing but you want us to be different
so
and
but it's just not
it's not working.
And from where I'm looking, brother, I'm sure viewers at home are just wondering why I'm just trying to give the couple a moment to figure it out themselves, and also the next person to be able to respond and defend themselves if they have to defend themselves. But it looked like Mr. DJ is just like is not reacting much into situation Lerato with Angisakufuni. So I guess it is exactly what you were feeling with meaning Anandaba. So it's like that, and there's nothing I can say on your side, my brother, there's nothing I can say to say Lerato is being unfair maybe with the situation where Kakamela the decision yake. So it's just gonna stay like that. You are fine now, Mr. DJ.
Can I
you are fine. You are fine, my brother. Ladies and gentlemen, it's just ended. It's just ended like that. Lerato stated her facts. I'm points with this is what's happening. This is how you are treating me. DJ is not reacting, and I don't want to sound like I'm taking sides. So instead, intando yaga Lerato mayenzeke and yenzekile. It is Angisakufuni on CMTV, Mr. Choose SA signing out. I'm your absolute fave. Keep us growing, subscribe and engage with us on the comment section so that we know how you actually view these situations, because umjolo is a pandemic to everybody. The ones that are getting it right, but at the end, uvele ukuthi bullets yeinhlungu nepain mase uyagowa. Kodwa kunjalo angeke sisiye kumjolo. I'm going to see you guys on the next episode of Angisakufuni. Thanda kanjalo. Take care of yourself. Washa.